Are you confident that the people of Delta State will vote President Bola Ahmed Tinubu?
First and foremost, the Igbo community in Delta State that did that in 2023. They never did it during my election. And we are on the same page. I've told them, vote party. This time they will not vote candidates, they will vote party, because the love they have for me, I have that confidence they will vote the APC. There are two factors that happened the other time: the Christian community and the Igbo, the non-indigenous. But I've been able to manage them because the Igbo, the non-indigenous, were working together for the interest of the state. And I also believe that what happened that time will not happen again. My duty is to talk to our people, to deliver a candidate from Mr. President to the last person. So that's it.
So you don't think the NDC is a threat?
I don't think any party is a threat to APC in Delta State.
You don't think so?
I don't think so. I don't think so.
Right.
We should talk about how to deliver my president, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. It's my #1 project. That's the project. And my project, yes, that's my project. Because that project is bigger than any other project. So that the burden I'm carrying, the burden will be light for me. Because I'm carrying a lot of burden as a governor. People are dependable. They are just depending on the state. So that by the time we deliver, we're able to at least export some people to the national. To that level. So you are so that I will have a voice, because the report card that I will show, that will give the state a lot of opportunity for appointment.
So you are confident that that Delta Central vote is yours? You are confident?
The vote?
Yes.
In Delta Central?
Yes.
Somebody will come and take it. To where? To which place? I don't know where they will take it. To where?
To their parties, there's the ADC. And
some of them, they do social media, they do that. I talk less.
Yes.
Do you see me granting all those interviews, doing all those things? No. The things I have now to commission, if I start commissioning every week, I will not be able to finish them before election. So there are too many things that we have done.
But you know, Deltans that were listening to you just now, they'll ask the question. I mean, I know that you haven't spoken since Delta State became an APC state. Delta has always been a PDP state. And they can hear you now say, we want to deliver to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Please tell them why.
Bola Ahmed Tinubu, among the candidates that will emerge, is the only one that has affiliation to Delta State. People don't even know that. Because Deltas are wise now. The man is an in-law here. The man is an in-law here. So, it will be evil to vote against your in-law.
So it's a family affair.
It's a family affair. So it's not this again. So it's Delta. In the south, the people in Delta, they are saying that this is their own. So it's not before they deceive them. Now they can't deceive them again. First lady, she's only the state strong. Not my wife. We talk about First Lady
of Nigeria.
So she affiliation to Insecurity. So no Insecurity person will vote against Tinubu.
Right. Okay.
No Robo man want to vote against Tinubu because their son is governor.
So not
only that. Because they are stakeholders. We have leaders in the north, Delta North and Delta South. Even the Isoko, they will not. So we're very sure. The kind of confidence we have is the people we have. Is reforms our programs are working very well in Delta State. I don't know if other places, I don't know, but I'm telling you, I'm talking about Delta State working very well.
The lady on Arise News asked Governor Sheriff if he is confident that Delta people will vote for Tinubu in 2027. Governor Sheriff said that the Igbo community in Delta State did it in 2023. Governor Sheriff said that the people of Delta State will vote party, that he is telling them to vote for party, that because of the love that the people of Delta State have for him, that they will vote for APC. Just imagine the kind of rubbish that the governor of Delta State called Sheriff is saying in national TV. Then they ask you, are you confident that the people of Delta State will vote for Tinubu? You did that they talk say they do am for 2023. Then they talk say Tinubu where they power not they do well. Say Nigerians are being slaughtered on a daily basis by bandits and terrorists. There is so much hunger in Nigeria. People are suffering. No job opportunities. Nothing is working. Yet, Governor Sheriff is saying that the people of Delta State will vote for party. He is saying that Delta State should be a fan to APC. So make we Delta people dey fan APC. What he meant there is Delta people make una no send Tinubu whether he bad or not. Make una just vote for APC. That is all we want. Governor Sheriff, shame on you, shame on you. You don't have shame. As if he said the life of Delta State people no matter to you. As if he said the life of Nigerians no matter to you. Shame on you, Governor Sheriff. If na Fulani bandits wan run for APC presidency for 2027, vote APC. If na kidnapper na im dey contest for APC candidate for 2027, Delta people vote for APC. People wey call themselves governor, people wey talk say they go school, look at the kind of rubbish that they are saying on national television. Governor Sheriff said that he is thinking about how to deliver Tinubu in 2027. That Tinubu is his #1 project. And that project is bigger than every other project. Governor Sheriff, we Ukwane people have been telling you to step down IPP power plants in Okpai. For we Ukwane people to be having lights. For more than 20 years, we Ukwane people don't have lights. Senator Nwoko have been telling you, Governor Sheriff, to step down IPP in Ukwane land for Ukwane people to be having lights. You said no. The issue between Governor Sheriff and Senator Nwoko is because Senator Nwoko is telling Governor Sheriff, let's do this thing for our people, let's do this thing for our people. But Governor Sheriff, they say no because they collect directive from Okowa, his boss. Okowa not good. The boys wey put for power, they're not good. The light issue in Ukwane land is not a problem to you, Governor Sheriff. Nah, Tinubu be your problem. The light issue where the Ukwane land, that one not be project to you. You dey aspire to go second term, yet for this your first term, you never do anything where we see. You know, say for that video, the only thing where they show for that video say Governor Sheriff do now only road. Herdsmen are killing people in Delta states. If you go Robolana, so that they complain say herdsmen they kill them all. If you go Ukwane land, so you gonna hear of herdsmen kidnapping, killings. For anyone in land, the same thing. The last time in Ibuzo community, Fulani herdsmen attacked some youths in Ibuzo. They wanted to kidnap them, but the youths escaped. In Delta State, we are battling insecurity. In Ukwane land, we don't have lights. We don't have universities. We don't have polytechnics. Good hospital not there Ukwane land. If you come Ukwane land, you will never see any good hospital there. Now hospital where the Robola now Ukwane people they go. In Ukwane land, nothing is working. Yet, Governor Sheriff not fit to do anything for Ukwane people. Instead, he come national television, they talk rubbish. Tinubu Ebi say him administration is a failure. Tinubu is a failure. Tinubu is a failed politician. And you get the effrontery, they talk rubbish. The lady asked Governor Sheriff, why should Delta State vote for Tinubu? Governor Sheriff replied saying that Tinubu is the only presidential candidate that has affiliation with Delta State. He said that Tinubu is an in-law to Delta State. Remi Tinubu, the wife of Tinubu, is from Insecurity in Delta State. And because of that, all Deltans should vote for Tinubu. Governor Sheriff said that it is evil for a Deltan not to vote for Tinubu. Governor Sheriff, you are a shameless governor. You don't have shame. Just look at the rubbish that you are saying. Make Delta people vote for Tinubu because of say he be in-law for Delta State. When I tell people that being a governor does not make you illiterate, some people go think say na play. You can have so many certificates, but nothing dey your head. Certificate does not prove intelligence. You made good results in your university does not mean that you will make a good politician. And that is why no be by certificate that they give people job. Now people wey get common sense that they give job. In Nigeria today, our politicians, they get good results from their universities, but majority of them not get sense. Tinubu will make Nigeria unbearable for Nigerians. All over the country, people are being slaughtered like chicken. That one alone is enough for Nigerians not to vote for Tinubu in 2027. If to say Nigeria not be failed country, if to say legislature, executive and judiciary they work for Nigeria, they supposed don't impeach Tinubu by now. Those three arms of government is the only thing that Nigeria need to function well. But instead, those three arms of government in Nigeria are dead and buried. So if your in-law na useless person, you go tell your family member say make una support my in-law. I know say na useless person, but make una support am. Even when the uselessness and stupidity of your in-law they affect your community, they affect your tribe, they affect your ethnic nationality, you still dey tell people to vote for your in-law. As I dey talk this one now, Governor Sheriff fit see the video talk say I will arrest this boy. Security, go and arrest this boy. Arresting me will not stop me from speaking against evil. And even if you arrest me, I go still come out. And if I come out, dragging continues. Governor Sheriff, you be bad person. Governor Sheriff said that he is working in Delta State. Governor Sheriff, wetin you dey work for Delta State? Under your administration, Okwane people dey protest all the time. They talk say they no get light. Senator Dadwoko don tell you, Governor Sheriff, to step down IPP in Okwane land. He don tell you say make una do that dam for Ogwashiuku. Make Anioma people dey get light. Make Okwane people dey get light. You said no. You and Okowa, you felt that Senator Nedwoko is telling you people what to do. You felt that Senator Nedwoko is not worshiping Okowa. And because of that, you, Governor Sheriff and Okowa, una start to fight Senator Nedwoko. This election where una rig for Delta State, so you, Governor Sheriff and Okowa, una rig that election to remove Senator Nedwoko from the Senate. We know all those things. So all this rubbish wey they talk for national television, now wetin you learn from your boss Okowa. The other day Okowa they talk say Anioma people want Anioma State to be in the south. He use Anioma dey campaign. He no even fit talk say this is what I did for Anioma people, this is what I did for Delta North. He no talk am. He use Anioma State agitation wey Senator Nedwoko dey agitate for. He use am dey campaign against Senator Nedwoko. So you, Governor Sheriff, you and your boss Okowa, una no good. Just look at what the governor of a state is saying on national television. As Governor Sheriff dey talk all those rubbish, that girl just dey laugh. He go think say the guy dey laugh say him dey make sense. You don't know say the guy is just saying I'm ashamed of you, Mr. Governor. That young lady is from Okwane land, and Okwane person she be. If anybody from Okwane land go Arise News, they talk about light issue, that young lady dey there, they interview the person. That young lady know say Governor Sheriff dey talk rubbish. Now why she just dey laugh? She just dey laugh say this man no get sense. That is what she's laughing at. But Sheriff don't know. Governor Sheriff always talks with pride. Like The guy too get pride. They talk like saying be one kind thing. You just dey pride yourself. Nothing you don't do for Okwane people, you dey pride yourself. Nothing you don't do for Oshimiri and Ancha people, you dey pride yourself. Your own people for Uroboland, they drag you for social media. They tell you say, Governor Sheriff, you are not doing anything. Even as Sheriff make this video finish, so many Urobo people, they drag am online. They call am disgrace. They call am shameless governor. They call am failure. Stop being proud. Carry your shoulder down. You know they do anything. If to say Nigeria they work, now impeach, we suppose they impeach all these governors. Protest against them, right against them. Comot them from power. All these people not be human beings wey go dey represent people. People they die all over the country. You dey tell we Delta people to vote for Tinubu. The first question that the guy asked him, he is saying Igbo people in Delta states, they supported Tinubu in 2023. They will also support Tinubu in 2027. We Anyama people, we will never support Tinubu. Now only those useless Anyama people, the fools where we get for Anyama, now go vote for Tinubu 2027. When we say the foolish ones in Anyama, those foolish ones are those ones that will vote for Tinubu in 2027. And those ones now the ones where we say that they work for you, Governor Sheriff and Okowa. Once when I tell them, animals, go and vote. When I give them rice, when I give them spaghetti, when I give them indomie, when I give them 2,000, 5,000, they go vote. Voting for a president that is a failure. Voting for a president where we say, under him administration, Nigerians are being slaughtered on a daily basis. Governor Sheriff, shame on you. Ishiagwale.